Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, if you're returning today, hello! I appreciate you stopping by, and if you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video. What are we doing today? We have Bombay and Cedar, and it came in this odd size box, and it is a mystery box that I got for $40. And it's got $150 value, but it is such an odd size box. So I can't wait to get in here and see what they sent me. Now, if you don't subscribe to Bombay and Cedar, you don't necessarily have to. Now, if you do want to subscribe to Bombay and Cedar, they have a monthly box that's around $45.99. They have a seasonal box that's around $80. And they have like a beauty box that is around $25, maybe $30. I don't know the exact prices because I do not subscribe to them, but I do get a lot of their mystery boxes. And they have a BYO, like build your own box, a BYOB. And I have done that. So there are some advantages to Bombay and Cedar. And if you have subscribed to them in the past, you usually have capabilities of getting some of these what I call deals. And this is a mystery deal, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And we're going to take our paper out of here and just commence pulling things out because there's no product card, so we'll have to go back and find out what's what. But this is a fine apple moisturizing hand and body wash enriched with shea butter and pineapple extract. That sounds excellent. So I've never heard of that kind of extract mixed together. Oh, it smells just like pineapple. It smells really good. That sounds like a win. Okay, guys. And you know what? If you want to, for fun, you can just rate this box and see what you think it is from 1 to 10. We got a botanical after sun cooling jelly. That looks very interesting. Especially if you get a little bit of a burn. See if it's sealed. Looks like it might have been leaking a little bit. It smells like it has cooling things in it. I'm not quite sure what the ingredients are, but it's kind of got that menthol-y smell to it. So it might have peppermint, maybe some aloe vera in there. Doesn't really say, it just says cooling jelly. So it's going to make your skin feel a little smoother after the sun. I guess maybe that was wrapped up in that. But that didn't work out too well. The next item I'm pulling out of here is the Melon Dollar Moisturizing Hand and Body Cream. So they gave us some cleanser. Now we're going to have hand and body cream, and this is in watermelon, enriched with shea butter and watermelon seed oil. That ought to smell good. It's all sealed up. Can't really smell it because it's sealed up, but I bet you it smells wonderful. So that's a good item. The next item I'm pulling out of here is a Seraphine Mansour Marrakech, and this is a citrus ginger tea and ginger scented candle. Wow. I don't know if I've ever gotten a candle from Bombay and Cedar. Oh, this is pretty. It smells interesting. I guess I'll just say that. It's citrus, green tea, and ginger. And I can smell those in there. So it's kind of an earthy spa type candle scent. And I like I like the candle. It's in a pretty pink with, looks like, tropical view to give you that tropical feel. It says it's number 25, so they must have different ones. I even see lemon on here, and I can smell a little bit of lemon here. It says it's an exotic paradise complex with bright sun fragrant palm and fresh ripe citrus, infused with essential oils and featuring notes of bergamot, ginger, citrus, green tea, and touches of apple, juniper, and clove, along with jasmine and tobacco. So it's quite the mixture of everything, and I can even smell the tobacco. That's very interesting. Number 5 is a complex scent that both energize and excite the senses. And I can see that. That's very interesting. It's a heavy duty. I would have to say that's probably going to burn for a few hours. I don't know if it tells us how long it'll burn. But it's number 25 and it smells very interesting. Okay, that's a win. My next item I'm pulling out of here is in this little box. It's called Nectar. Oh, that reminds me that it might be sunshades. Let's see here. Looks like sunshades. This is looking like a nice little box for 40 bucks. What do y'all think? I think I might have got my money's worth. Oh, we got us some black sunshades. It is Nectar. They're in black. And I don't know, what do y'all think? Do they look my style? Does it fit my face? I'm not sure, but they're definitely dark. So if you wanted some dark glasses, they certainly have it. And they're eco-friendly lens protector is what it says. It says Salt of the East. So that might be the name of these particular shades. So very nice. And I think that's a good brand, the Nectar brand. Have y'all heard of the Nectar brand? Salt of the East. And that's probably, like I said, the kind that they are. And there's nothing else in there. So we'll just have to say Sunglasses by Nectar. That's a win. Those alone might be worth $50 or $60. And then our last item in this box. Oh, they must have had a big score of these. The Excuse Me book, which I've shown this in a battle, which is a repeat. And as you can see, it has all kinds of jokes in there. There's one of them that says, good artist, bad artist. So they got the angel and the devil. And then over here, they have people jumping off. What does it say there? Up and coming in the arts. So, like I said, it's just silly little stuff. Excuse me. I showed a few of them in the other. This one here says tote bags. That's about right. We get them and we just kind of have them clustered around someplace. So yeah, it's kind of a funny little book. And this has a $20 value, so I already have one. So I'm going to make a surprise giveaway here. And let's use the words excuse me. Use excuse me and I'll get this out in the mail to you if you're interested in having a funny comical book. It's got all kinds of funny things in here, just a little bitty ridiculous cartoons actually. So, and I don't know, there's no rhyme or reason. That's kind of yucky. It says sneeze and then it's got the you know what sitting there to shoot over. The funny thing about humor is it wasn't. So I guess maybe it wasn't funny, whatever it is that they're talking about. Like I said, it is a full of comical things. The end, the beginning. So one saying the beginning, one saying the end. And then over here we have Peter Pan and the Bearded Baby. Two types of man-child. Okay. Alright guys, I don't know if you'd even be interested, but if you are, use the word excuse me and you will be eligible for this book. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. YouTube and our Bombay and Cedar has nothing to do with this giveaway. And if I'm leaving any other important rules, they'll be down in the description. And speaking of my description, be sure and look in my descriptions for any current giveaways and our collaborations that are going on, because there's usually multiple giveaways with collaborations and another opportunity to win. But in this Bombay and Cedar mystery box for $40, I received the number 25 candle. I received this Botanical After the Sun gel, which I'll like using that when I go to the beach or be out in the sun and get a little bit too much. We've got this Pineapple Moisturizing Hand and Body Wash we have this watermelon hand and body cream. We got our Salt at the East sunshades by Nectar, which is a great brand. And then finally, we got this Excuse Me book, which will be in a surprise giveaway. You use the code word and I will do a surprise giveaway, and that means it can end any time. So there's plenty of time for you to check it out. And that is a book, so I can ship that out with book prices, and that'll help on the shipping, which is yay. That's a good idea. And you'll get to share in the comical part of this Excuse Me book. So if you're interested, be sure and use the secret code word down in the description. But as for today in Bombay and Cedar, that's all I have. Let me know what your favorite item was. My favorite item is the sunshades and the candle, of course. What's yours? And let me know. And if you want to rate this mystery box from 1 to 10, let me know what you think. Was it a 1 terrible, 10 great, 5 mediocre? Whatever. It doesn't matter. It's all in fun. And again, there is a giveaway with this little book, but it is a surprise giveaway. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. That's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.